If we are new to one another, my name is Jamie, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro. Chances are it took you a lot of time to get to this video, so I'll keep it short and sweet as far as the specs. I think last year my video for the iPhone 13 Pro only got 300 views, but what might make this one a little unique is that it is the silver color. Personally, I've not seen any videos on this silver, so I'm excited to check it out. I have had silver in the past, so I'm gonna guess it looks exactly the same, but on the website it did look a little whiter, so I'm excited to see it. And some key features are, of course, a brighter always on display, a 48 megapixel wide web camera, and of course the dynamic island. I love that they named it the dynamic island. Apple was like, we're not having our users name any of the pieces of our phone. They're not gonna call it a notch, a punch hole, a pill hole. We're gonna name it ourselves. That's totally the biggest you to all of the haters, and I am here for it. There are also some safety features such as crash detection and satellite connectivity, so if you do go off in the woods and you get yourself lost, you should be covered if you have the iPhone 14. But okay, let's go ahead and open on up. Now, like previous years, we do have little pull tabs to release the iPhone from its enclosure. So we'll go ahead and tear that guy off. Give it the shimmy that we like to do. Oh, first glance, oh, it looks so frosted. It's like a frosted silver is what they should have called it. It's so nice and shiny. We'll set that off to the side for the moment. Of course, you have USB-C to Lightning. I'm gonna kick myself in the foot if next year they do move to USB-C to USB-C. Inside, you do have the design by California and Apple. You get a white Apple sticker. The color versions don't get colored ones, as well as a reminder that you need to set up with eSIM. So if you are in the United States, you have to set it up with an eSIM, and that's going to be an interesting process. Not exactly sure how to do that. I know a lot of people are concerned because they have so many phones, they need so many SIM cards. I just got the one. I mean, I do change my phone quite often, but I still just have the one. Set that off to the side. That's all that's in the box. And just quickly looking around before we check out that dynamic island, it looks to be about the same size. Yeah, maybe it's like a hair bigger than the 13 Pro, but thickness is the same. Maybe I could show some B-roll there to see if we could actually capture how much bigger. It really is just a hair. Camera's bigger. I watched my video from last year saying that it was bigger than the 12 Pro. So now here we are at the 14 Pro. So if you are coming from an 11 or 12, expect some big cameras. It's cool. The Apple logo, I'm sure if you can also see that there, is also looks a tad bit bigger, which I am here for. That's nice. Oh my God, it really looks like jewelry. I think I also say that every year, but this white, I did kind of miss. The blue did grow on me, the Sierra blue. That purple was definitely not my jam. And speaking of colors, it does come in space black, gold, the silver as you see, as well as a new color, deep purple. None of those colors were vibing with me, so silver it is. And then as we do go ahead and just peel this off and power it on, they've also made some improvements to the autofocus, the front and the rear, and they also introduced an action mode, which is like a built-in stabilizer, and some improvements to cinematic mode, which I did not use once. And that's actually why I upgraded from the 12 to 13, and then I still did not use it once. What can I say? Powering it on. Let's see this dynamic island for the first time. Actually, I don't have a screen protector for this yet. I gotta get one of those. Apple logo powering on. I need to see this dynamic island. Cute. It's greeting me with a hello, as a lot of their products do. Now let that do its thing. And of course it is running iOS 16, but just know you don't need a new iPhone to update. You could use an iPhone 8 to present, and it does support iOS 16, which brings about a lot of new features. Some of the popular ones are customizable lock screen, as well as the ability to lift an image from a picture, use it as an object so it'll convert it to a PNG so you can add it to an email, text message, Word document, as well as the ability to edit or delete a iMessage. So definitely jump on board. It's been pretty stable since I've had it, no issues. People are talking about battery drainage, but I think people just really look too deep into things. Yeah, and I think this is where I'll leave it. Like I mentioned, super quick unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro, nothing formal whatsoever. Please consider dropping a comment down below, hitting the like button on your way out. And of course, if this was your first time stumbling upon the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you.